Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight's episode is pre-recorded uli because I'm still very busy. Meron akong inaasikaso. But of course, hindi ko makakalimutan yung aking Kape at Kwento series. So for the longest time, my life felt like one big loop. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. So, and every month, the same drama. Saan napunta yung sweldo ko? So we work so hard, we give our best, but let me ask you, why are we still stuck in the same financial traffic jam? I realized something. A job is amazing. It puts food on the table, but it's not designed to give us freedom. It's designed to keep us comfortable enough not to live. So one day I asked myself, is this how I want to live the next 10 to 20 years? My answer was a big fat no. I want to spend time with my family. I want to have savings that don't disappear overnight. I want to wake up excited, hindi yung pagod na agad. You see, our job is not the finish line. It's just the vehicle. But here's the truth that nobody tells us. You're allowed to choose a new road. You're allowed to build something of your own. You're allowed to want more. Hindi ka greedy. You are growing. Starting my digital business, was I scared? Of course. Did I doubt myself? Every single day. But I still jumped because staying stuck was scarier. Now I'm building a future where money doesn't control me and where my kids don't inherit the struggles, only my courage. So if you're watching this and you feel like parang walang pagbabago sa buhay ko, maybe it's time to take the wheel. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to start something that leads you to your next level. No more waiting for lucky breaks. We create our own. So if you're curious how I started, just message me the word future and I will guide you like someone did for me. Let's drive to the life we deserve. Not someday, starting today. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye bye.